Hello, welcome to my therapy session. I'm here with my first grade male student. Say hello, student.
Hi.
He's been diagnosed with a mild receptive language delay, so today we are working on reading comprehension and understanding main idea and key details. So what we've done so far is read Pete the Cat. We listened to a read-along, and we've gone over the comprehension questions, and he did really well with those. So now we're moving to the graphic organizer, which looks like this. We have all of the answer choices on the outside to make it easier for him since he is in the first grade. And we're just going to kind of work through these together. But first, I want to talk about what main idea and key details are. So the main idea would be something that you can maybe find in a title a lot of times, and it is something that just really describes the whole point of the story. So what is the big picture of the story? And in this one, what's the title?
Pete the Cat.
Yep, and where does he go?
The beach.
Yep, so Pete the Cat goes to the beach.
Yes.
So do any of these answer choices that I've given you match what this title looks like?
I'm going to go with this one. Pete goes to the beach with Mom and Bob.
Good. So we're going to fill that in on our main idea section. So you can go ahead and copy these words right into this little area right here.
Okay.
And while he's doing that, I just want to say that you can either have your student copy the words into the appropriate spaces, or you can use scissors and glue and paste them in there, or you can use Velcro or something fun like that. But he likes to write his own stuff, so I'm just letting him write it out for now. And another option is to let them color it. It always makes it more fun than just a black and white page. But he's got that in there, so now we're going to move on to the key details. So I want you to flip back through the story and look for some things that Pete does. Maybe he's someone he's with. Maybe something he's feeling. So what is one thing that Pete did while he was at the beach? Do you see anything in the story that...
He learns to surf.
Very good. Pete learns to surf, and that is one key detail in the story. So you can go ahead and write Pete learns to surf in the detail number 1 box. Very good. And he has that in there. So let's go on to key detail number 2. Do you see another activity that Pete did while he was at the beach?
He plays on the shore with Mom.
Yes, he played on the shore with his mom. So you can go ahead and write that in detail number 2. Very good. And then one last key detail. Look for something in the book that tells you how Pete was feeling. And we kind of talked about this with the comprehension questions. How did Pete feel at the beach at first?
Scared. He was scared.
Good. Pete felt scared. And you can see it right here in the story. He was scared to get in the water. Doesn't really say why, but we do know that he was scared. So you can write that in detail number 3. Pardon my dogs. Good. So he has filled out the main idea and key details from the story, and this is what the completed activity looks like. We have our answer choices, and he's copied those in there. Like I said, you can cut and paste if that's easier, Velcro them in if you want to be creative, but he likes to write, so I just let him write them in. And now he's going to color the page while we talk about the story a little bit more. But thank you.